Hey, I'm Dr. Joffrey. In this video, we're going to learn the 5 foods that you should never eat or drink. 5 foods you should never eat or drink. Number 1 is orange juice. Yes, who would have thought orange juice? Orange juice, because of how it's made, they pasteurize it, they heat it, they filter it, they extract from it. But in the end, most of the good ingredients are lost. So you're basically left with sugar water. Again, you're basically left with sugar water. Number 2, soy protein isolates. These are not natural foods. You find them in weight loss foods. You find them in protein shakes. They're generally just not good for you. Then number 3, high fructose corn syrup. That we already know it's in sodas, find it in drinks. But are you aware it's in cereal bars? Are you aware it's in bread, pizza, out of the box macaroni and cheese? You find it in hot dogs. You find it, well, not necessarily hot dogs, but yogurts. Then number 4 is basically commercial meat with nitrates. And those are basically like your salamis, your hot dogs, your corned beef. They're filled with nitrates. Nitrates, I get it. They're there to help preserve the meat, but they're not good for you at all. It's better to eat beef that it's fed from grass. Do not eat the commercialized meats. Then number 5, commercial milk. Who would have thought? It's one of the foods you don't want to eat. Here's why. There's a hormone called RBST, recombinant bovine somatotrypsin. That's a hormone. It's not even allowed in Canada. They're not allowed to. The milk that we buy over the counter here, it's banned in Canada because of that hormone. So it's better if you're going to drink milk to use organic milk or hormone-free milk. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit the subscribe button or leave a comment. Talk to you soon.